guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, yes I know, but I want to show you guys how I made these carrot hot dogs. So keep on watching. First you'll need your carrots. I peeled and I cut in half. Next you need your vegetable stock and I poured this into a bowl. I poured about half of the container. Next, you'll need your soy sauce. And I honestly am horrible at measuring, but I assume I put like 2 tablespoons. Next, I added pure maple syrup. So there's a little dab here and there. And next, I sprinkled some black pepper. Next, some garlic powder, and as you can tell by the container, I like garlic powder. A bit of parsley. Now, as you can tell based off my ingredients, I'm trying to create a sweet, savory marinade for my carrots. And you can't forget the paprika. A lot of the recipes online said I needed mustard seed. I didn't have mustard seed, so I used actual mustard. And what I'm doing here, I'm just whisking all of the ingredients together like so. Next, I'm going to add all of my carrots into boiling hot water. And I cook these for about 30 minutes or until they're somewhat soft, but I wanted a little bit of crunch still. Once the carrots are done cooking, I'm transferring them into a Ziploc bag like so. Now it's time to pour my marinade into the Ziploc bag with the carrots. And for the best results, I recommend you leave the carrots to marinate overnight. Trust me, I tested this, just leave it in there for a couple hours. The flavor is so much better when you leave it overnight. Now it's time to cook the hot dogs. I put some oil in the pan and I'm using a griddle because I want to give the illusion of I'm cooking it on an actual grill. And if you want to give these carrots a smoky flavor, if you add into your marinade some liquid smoke, it'll give that nice flavor. So once those grill lines set in, I take them off. While the carrot dogs are on the stove, I'm going to start preparing the toppings. So I purchased some slaw mix and it also has shredded carrots, shredded cabbage. I'm adding a dab of relish because I put relish on regular hot dogs, so I want to add this to my carrot dogs. And I want to add some spice to it, so I'm adding some old chili to that and I'm mixing it all up. So now I'm making a sweet spicy sauce or topping to go on top of my sweet and savory carrot dog. And I'm going to mix all of that together like so. Look at those grill lines. It looks just like a hot dog. Now that the carrot dogs are done, now it's time to plate them and add my toppings. And the reason why I also added the slaw mix as my toppings, because I still want extra crunch to it as well. So while you're eating this, you're getting a whole lot of texture going on in your mouth. Here it is, your carrot dog. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.